Okay. All right. What have we been studying about in shared reading this week?
Butterfly.
Harlan. Butterflies, good. Can someone tell me 5 things they've learned about butterflies? Tell me one thing. Colson.
They can fly.
They fly. Alex.
They have wings.
They have wings. Danica.
They have legs.
They have legs. So we're naming body parts. Tell me something other than their body parts. Mari.
They have antennas.
Okay, but tell me something besides their body parts. Tell me something else about them.
They have eyes.
Okay, we're naming body parts. What can they do? Think about our graphic organizer. What can they do?
I know what they can do.
What can they do?
They can glide.
Okay, they can glide or fly. What else? One more thing. Miss Miley.
They can taste with their feet.
That is my most favorite thing we've learned this week. They taste with their feet. Who knew that? That's crazy, isn't it?
I know.
All right, so what we're going to do after today, you will be able to tell me all about butterflies, and you are going to make a brochure about butterflies, and we'll talk about the brochure more during writing. We're going to use those graphic organizers you guys have been doing in writing. So that's what we're going to do. After this lesson, you will be able to say, I can identify nonfiction text features, and you will be able to say, I can identify the butterfly life cycle. So you will have 2 cool statements you can make after the lesson. We're going to watch our quick video about a butterfly, and then we're going to read a book, and then we're going to finish our chart we started earlier in the week.
Butterfly, butterfly, you're so fine, flying up and down all through the sky. The life cycle just goes on and on. Now listen up to my butterfly song. The butterfly life cycle goes like this. 4 unique stages of metamorphosis. Stage 1 is the egg on a leaf, just growing inside, chilling in that tree. Stage 2 is the caterpillar, that's the larva, eating that leaf and growing even larger. Molting, he climbs right out of his skin, crawling around all through the spring. Stage 3 is the chrysalis, that's the cocoon, changing inside almost a butterfly soon. Some call this the pupa, it's a funny name. Check out what this caterpillar became. Stage 4, here comes the butterfly. Oh, so beautiful, oh, so bright. Now they can fly with the scaly wings, and when they eat, it's a drinking thing. Sipping up nectar, a sugar collector, the adult butterfly's a pollen spreader. Butterfly, butterfly, you're so fine, flying up and down all through the sky. The life cycle just goes on and on. Now listen up to my butterfly song. The butterfly life cycle goes like this. 4 unique stages of metamorphosis. Stage 1 is the egg on a leaf, just growing inside, chilling in that tree. Stage 2 is the caterpillar, that's the larva, eating that leaf and growing even larger. Molting, he climbs right out of his skin, crawling around all through the spring. Stage 3 is the chrysalis, that's the cocoon, changing inside almost a butterfly soon. Some call this the pupa, it's a funny name. Check out what this caterpillar became. Stage 4, here comes the butterfly. Oh, so beautiful, oh, so bright. Now they can fly with the scaly wings, and when they eat, it's a drinking thing. Sipping up nectar, a sugar collector, the adult butterfly's a pollen spreader. Butterfly, butterfly, you're so fine, flying up and down all through the sky. The life cycle just goes on and on. Now listen up to my butterfly song.
All right, now turn your bodies to me. I want you to whisper to your shoulder partner. What is this part of the book called?
Come on.
Chloe Martin's trying to whisper to you. Whisper to your partner, what's this part of the book called? Who can tell me? Ooh, look at all these model students. Ethan Adkins.
The front cover.
The front cover, kiss your brain. What cool information can you find on the front cover, Miss Chloe?
Who made the book and wrote the book?
Who wrote the book, and what is that person called?
I forgot.
It's been a little bit since we reviewed that. What is that person called? Who wrote the book? Jonathan.
The author.
Kiss your brain. That was fabulous. All right, so what is this called? The
Title.
oh, nice hand, Alex.
Title.
The title of the book. I need everybody to do a quick body check. Make sure your legs are out of your shirts. Body check, please. Thank you. This is called Caterpillar to Butterfly.
We already know.
What text feature is this? Raise a quiet hand. What text feature is this? Danica. Table of contents. Give yourself a pat on the back. The table of contents. And someone tell me, Mari, what can you find on the table of contents? He's not sure. Mari, why don't you phone a friend? Quickly. Ethan Dalton, what information can I find on the table of contents?
What page you want to go to?
What page you want to go to? Enter information. All right. Are you ready for our riddle?
Yes.
What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly. Kelby?
Butterfly.
A butterfly. Good job. It is a butterfly. Butterflies start as an egg, go to a caterpillar, and then they're a beautiful little
Butterflies. Mom, they need a cocoon.
They do need a cocoon. Good job. This is called a Ethan Atkins.
It's the heading.
The heading. Good job, buddy. It is the heading. Do we read the heading?
Yes.
Yes, you must read the heading. It tells you what you're going to read about. So, beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns too.
Daniel.
No. All eyes on me. All eyes on me, please. 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. Stage 1 is the
Egg.
Stage 2 is the
Caterpillar.
Stage 3 is the
Cocoon.
or
Chrysalis.
pupa or chrysalis. Good job. And stage 4 is the
Butterfly.
I got a trick question. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Who remembers what it's called? What their stage of life is called? It starts with a. What's their stage of life called? Or their circle of life? Excuse me. Life cycle. Elena. Close. It does say meh. Spencer.
Metamorphosis.
Good job. Kiss your brain. A metamorphosis, changing from an egg to a butterfly.
That's what I was gonna say.
Stage 1 is the
Egg.
egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food. Caterpillar food, that is. Caterpillars eat what first?
Eggs.
I love that you knew that question, or that answer, but can you raise your hand next time? Perfect. Can you put your pillow on your lap? Stage 2 is the
Caterpillar.
caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry.
So
In a nonfiction book, what is this called? What is this? This is a caterpillar, but what is it called in a nonfiction book? This is called a... Chloe Ebersol.
picture.
A picture. Perfect. Or a photograph. Good. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Now let me ask you a question. This is something we haven't talked about this time when we're learning about nonfiction text. Here's my photograph.
Yeah.
What is this little, these words right here? It says small white butterfly caterpillar.
Oh my butterfly caterpillar.
And this says old skin. So it's saying this is a small white caterpillar. This is its old skin. It is Chloe? Labeling the picture. How about that? This is labeling this caterpillar, and this is labeling its old skin. Stage 3 is the
Pecking.
or
Chrysalis.
chrysalis. Good. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. What kind of butterfly will this be?
Monarch.
A monarch. Good job. Make sure you raise your hand, buddy. Stage 4 is the
Butterfly.
butterfly. Sit. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Check your body. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harder. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Time for lunch. This is called Ethan. A heading. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. And then, here's the good page. We talked about that page yesterday. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. First, what are predators? What are predators, Jillian? Animals who eat the butterfly. How do butterflies keep predators away? How do butterflies keep predators away? Camden.
If they open the wings.
And they look like what? They open their wings really big and they look. Do you remember? He's on the right track. Good job, buddy. Who's got something to add? How do butterflies protect themselves from predators? Miley.
Open their wings.
They open their wings. And what do their wings look like, Miley? Do they look like?
Eyes.
They look like eyes. So they scare their predators away. Ethan.
They look like snakes.
They could look like snakes. Fabulous. Chloe Brinker.
They can camouflage.
I love the word you use. They can camouflage. Everybody stand up.
They can camouflage. That doesn't make no sense.
We talked about that yesterday. Camouflage means they blend into their surroundings. Stretch. Stretch the floor. Wiggle a little. Spin your bodies to the chart paper. All right. At the beginning of the week, At the beginning of the week, we made our chart, our T chart, what we know. We knew at the beginning of the week, they have colorful wings, have antennas, they fly, straight body, wings may look like eyes. So we kind of already knew that. They live in Kentucky, lots of different kinds, and get food from flowers. Now, we have learned so much. Someone raise a super duper model student quiet hand and tell me, what have you learned?
About butterflies?
About butterflies, yes. Spencer,
And they have fun wings.
we knew that, have colorful wings. What's something new? Some new knowledge you've learned.
That
They scare away predators. Good.
that's something that I didn't know when I was a caterpillar.
You were a caterpillar.
Mari.
I guess the lady.
Wow, Jeremiah, what a quiet hand, buddy. What have you learned?
They lay eggs.
They lay eggs. That's a good one. Where do they lay eggs, Jeremiah?
On the leaf.
On a leaf. Good job. Then we have a lady. Elena.
That they eat nectar.
They eat nectar. Good job.
They can make honey out of nectar.
All right, Mr. Mari, what have you learned?
About butterflies? No, we already had that. There's a butterfly can fly up and down.
Okay. Sure.
They fly up and down.
We're going to put fly up and down.
Popcorn words. Up and down.
Up and down. We're popcorn words. Good job. Miss Brianna.
They have eyes on their wings.
Good. Their wings look like eyes. But do all butterflies' wings look like eyes?
No.
So we're going to, their wings look like eyes. And we're going to make a little note to ourselves to say, sometimes.
That's like a word.
Oh yeah, we have been working on sometimes in group. Good job. All right, one more friend. That's a little note to ourselves. They're called parentheses. Can you get in your square? One more friend. Ethan.
They are camouflage.
They use camouflage to protect themselves. Good. So we're going to write camouflage.
Camouflage is a long word.
And I'm not really 100% sure how to spell that. I'm going to spell it wrong for you. Now look, I'm not sure how to spell it. Where can I look?
In the book you're holding.
In the book. When you're not sure how to spell stuff during your response to reading, where can you look?
In the book.
In the book. Oh, I knew it was that. Oh, good gravy.
You knew it was
I
that.
just didn't want to spell it wrong. All right.
I got you.
Now this is what I want. If you're on this row, you're going to turn to your partner in this row. This row, you're going to turn to your partner in this row. I want you to tell them 2 things you've learned about butterflies. No, this row, this row. Tell me.
I'm not with anybody.
You know what? Neither is Camden. How about you, Camden and Jonathan, tell each other? Camden, Jonathan, and Ethan, come sit on yellow.
That's weird, Daniel. What?
Tell them. So your foot is in my square.
Why are you not talking?
Put your hands on your head when you are done sharing. Jonathan and Danica, are you done sharing yet?
Yeah.
All right. It is time for groups.
Yay! Up with the iPad.
So we're going to take a break. We're going to go get the iPads. Yep. All right, Miss Kimberly.